Hi foodies, you're welcome here. Today we're going to be making this super moist banana bread. Do you have overripe bananas and you don't want to waste them? They are too mushy to eat. Now come closer. I'll be showing you how you can use your overripe bananas to make this bread. So let's get started. Now you want to preheat your oven. You just turn it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and you start mixing our ingredients. So what we need is a flour. I'll be dropping the ingredients I used to make this bread in the description link below. I'm going to be sieving my 2 cups of flour in this bowl, and if you have a pre-sifted flour you don't need to do this. So we're going to sieve it. We want to take out the extra crumbs. We just want to make sure that everything is doing okay. I don't know why my flour had a lot of crumbs today. It's strange kind of. So but I just try to pull them in. We're not going to let it waste. So after sieving my flour, I want to get my bananas. Guys, these bananas are so ripe. I don't want to throw them away. So I decided to use them to make this bread. Now use your fork and just give it a little just mesh it, make it to just, you don't need to go hard on your banana, but you make sure you're using a very ripe banana. If you're using bananas that are not ripe, you won't get the moist in the bread. So you won't get that moisty bread. So we're going to just mesh it. After meshing this, you get your egg. Put in 1 egg, melted butter. You just mix it up a little bit. This is so easy, guys. There's no hard deal there. We add our sifted flour, add your nutmeg, baking powder, salt, and you mix it up. So using your spatula, this is not hard, and that is what we have. We're going to be adding our sugar, half cup of white sugar and half cup of brown sugar. You mix this in together. At this point I was done mixing. I added a little chocolatey chip. You can skip this part if you don't want this. So just mix it in a little. Now you want to get a pan and grease the pan. Transfer this to a pan. Bake for 1 hour 15 minutes. Yes, it takes time to bake. This was 30 minutes after baking, and this was 1 hour 15 minutes after baking. So you want to keep this to cool for 20 minutes before you start cutting it. Now this is what our bread looks like. So good. So if you've watched the video to this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, I want you to consider doing so, because we'll be sharing a lot of mouth-watering homemade recipes you don't want to miss. So guys, guess what I used this banana bread to eat? Actually, I had this for breakfast the next day after baking this, and they were a delight. Do you want to try this with your overripe bananas? And let me get your feedback in the comment section on how it turned out. For now, bye. See you guys.